Hey there! Welcome back to Quiz Glitz. Let's play a challenge today.
Guess the word by emojis.
You'll have just 7 seconds to solve each question before the clock runs out. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the fun with the first challenge. Can you guess this?
Hit the like button if your answer is correct.
Excellent work!
Chocochip, great job. That was a sweet one.
Give a try on it.
Hit subscribe if you're right.
Fishbowl, nice guess. You're swimming through these.
You can do this.
Comment down your answers.
Time's up. The answer is...
Firewood, well done. You're on fire.
Which emoji is the odd one out? Bravo! Here's this one. Keep it going. What do you think about this?
Hit the like button if your answer is correct.
Wonderful job.
It's Moonlight. Amazing. You shine bright.
Can you crack this?
Hit subscribe if you're right.
Brainstorm, awesome.
This is a hard one. Can you guess?
Foxhole, nice. You spotted that one quickly.
Choose your gift. If you select the first gift box, share your favorite movie in the comments. If you choose the second gift box, hit the like button 3 times and comment your name. We'll give you a heart. Super effort. It's...
Turtle shell, great. Slow and steady wins.
You might know this.
Hit subscribe if you're right.
Yep, that's correct. It's...
Iceberg, cool guess. You're chilling through these.
Give a try on it.
Grapevine, wow, you're really in the loop.
Time for a memory test. Remember where each emoji's placed. Have you memorized them? Where is avocado? Wow! You could see this under 3.
Boathouse, nice work. You're sailing.
Comment down your answers.
Yes, it's Goldmine, you are gold.
Can you spot the odd emoji among these? Fantastic! It's not like the others.
Doorbell, perfect. You rang the right answer.
You can do this. Exactly right.
It's handbag.
Help the ant find its way to the food. Follow the path to help ant. You're so good. What's the correct answer?
Hit the like button if your answer is correct.
That's right! It's
Treehouse. That time, nice. You're dreaming big.
What are your guesses?
Hit subscribe if you're right.
Webpage, great guess. You're clicking through these.
Rate the movie fast. Let us know what you think. What did you love about it? We would love to hear from you.
Dropbox, well done. You nailed it.
Can you figure it out?
YouTube, amazing. You're trending upward.
It's easier than you think.
Comment down your answers.
That's right! It's...
Bus stop.
This is a hard one. Can you guess?
Lock screen. Good one. You unlocked the answer.
Guess the characters by Emojis. Wonderful job. It's...
Eggshell. Bubble tea, great. You're bubbling with talent.
Trust your instincts.
It's rose wine.
Let's finish strong with the last question.
Bravo! You made till the end. Thank you for joining us in today's challenge. Now pick your next challenge and don't forget to subscribe.